Paying with Klarna in store at Walmart is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay with Klarna in store at Walmart. So for that you need to have this kind of Klarna card. This is the card that you need to pay for your groceries or anything that you want to buy in store. So how do you get this kind of card? You just need to go to your log into your app and select Klarna card, and you have to apply now. And they will want you to put the address as well in which they will deliver the card. You just need to have access to this card. This is how the card should looks like. Now how can you use that to buy in store? So you just need to take this card with you. You need to go to your Walmart store, or you can also do the Walmart online as well. And you have to select every groceries that you want to buy at the store, and after that you have to go to the checkout section of the mart, and they will want you to pay using card. You just need to swipe your card in a machine like that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Klarna to pay in store at Walmart. Hope you guys find this video helpful.